So in this video we will be solving one problem related to array, and we will be using hash map. So the problem is like we have given an array a of n integers, and we need to return the number of unique elements in the array. So this is the array, and it is asking whether how many unique elements that are present here, right? So that is the question. I think the question is clear now. So for better explaining, I'm just telling you that 3 is coming 3 times here, right? This is coming 3 times, and 9 is coming 2 times, and after that 0 is coming 2 times, and 1 is coming 1 time. So the number of unique element will be number of unique element in the list will be in the array would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the answer will be 4. So I'm just trying to explain. I'm just creating this video so that it would be easy for you that how I am approaching the solve problem and how you can solve it, right? So whenever the interviewer is asking that you have an int array, and you need to return the number of unique elements in the array. So the first thing that came in my mind is that, oh, I can use hash map here, and because in hash map we have key and value pair, right? So we can just save in this way in the hash map, like 3 times, 9 2 times, 0 2 times, and 1 1 time, right? And the second thing that came in my mind is that I can use hash set, because hash set only allows like unique elements, right? So these are two things that came in my mind. So I will approach this problem in two ways. First with the help of hash map, and second with the help of, I will check whether I can we can apply hash set here or not. Right. So how we used to declare hash map? First thing I would do is I will declare an hash map. Let's say the name of what will be the key and value pair here. Both are integers, right? We are checking 3 will be the key, and how many times it is occurring, that is the value of 3, that will be also an integer, right? So the key will be integer, right? And let's say the name of hash map hm is equal to new hash map, and this is the basic declaration of hash map that you should remember, I would suggest. And now I will iterate through the array, right? So for iterating through the array, I will go from index 0, that is what would be the index of first 3, it will be 0. So I will start with int I is equal to 0. I will increase the number from 0 to the length of array, right? So what will be the length of array? It will be array dot length, right? So in this way I will declare it, right? And now first of all I will check whether any one of the element like 3 is present in my hash map or not. If 3 is present, I would simply say the count will be let's say 3 is already there, right? So the count will be increased. That's say the value, let's say the initial value is 1 and it will be increased to 2. And let's say if 3 is not there in the hash map, so it would be like something like 1, right? The count would be 1. So first of all, we will check whether 3 is present in our hash map or not. So for that, what I will write, I will check, right? So I would have a condition here, right? If hm dot contains key, right? So I am checking hm dot contains key. For that, what I will check, first of all I will get that current number that I am iterating, right? So current number is equal to uh, it will be err of I, right? The first number, the current number I am getting, right? I am iterating through the list and I am getting the number, so it is ARR of I. So I will check whether this current number, that is 3, because I is equal to 0, that is 3, whether it is in my hash map or not, right? So I will simply pass current number here. So if that is true, that number is already there, right? So in that case, what we will do, I will get the count of that number, right? So, for better explaining, what I would say, that just go to the first element 3. I will check in the hash map whether 3 is present or not. It is not there. It is the first element. It is not there. So I would say hm dot contains key, current number is not there. In that case, what I will do? I will do. I will put the key and its value. The key will be the current number, right? That is 3 here, and its value, what would be its value will be 1, because that number is not present in my hash map, right? And if that number is not present, for that we have an if block, and let's say if that number is there, right? So in that case, what I will do, I will put what I will put current number, but what would be the value of the current number, and the value of the current number will be whatever. Let's say I am going to the second element and 3 is already there, so how my hash map would be looking, so it would be looking something like 3 1, right? And it would be something like 3 1. For the second element, we can see that 3 is already present and its count is 1, right? So if 3 is already there, so what I will do, I will go there and I will increase the count of 1 to 2. So how I will be getting this one value, the 1? For that we have a method hm dot get. So hm dot get, with the help of get one, what I can do, I can get the value of that key, that is 3. So hm dot get current key, current number, right? So I will get the value. In this case it will be 1 and I will increase it by 1, right? And there will be semicolon here. Now I am just printing it out. Let's check how my hash map looks like. So for that I will simply do is, let's say system dot out dot print hm, right? I am running the code. So you can see now I have 0 two times. It is saying 0 is coming 2 times, okay. 1 is coming 1 time, okay. 3 is coming 3 times, okay. 9 is coming 1 time, okay. So now you can see that you have the hash map with key value pair, right? all the keys are like unique elements, and you can see that here uh, the order is not maintained here. So sometime interviewer used to ask you that whether order is retained in hash map or not. So it would be no, order is not retained. So now going to the next point. Now what is the value that I want to get? I am trying to get the number of unique elements present in the array, that is 4. So how I can do that? I will simply do system dot out dot print. I will print the size of the hash map, right? For that I have one method hm dot size. So I can get the number of unique elements, right? So what would be the size here? One, two, three, 4. So number of key value pairs. There are 4 key value pairs that are present. So that would be my answer, right? Let's say I am just trying to print in next line. So I will be writing ln. So that would be the answer, right? Now I am just trying to approach this problem with the help of hash set, because hash set doesn't allow duplicates, right? So I will go here and let's say I am declaring an hash set. How we used to declare hash set? Hash set takes only, right? It doesn't have key value pair, it has only key. So I will be declaring something like hash set integer hs is equal to new hash set. That thing you need to practice, right? You need to write it down again and again, and it will be in your practice. So hash set hs, I have created one hash set hs equal to new hash set, and I am going, I will do the same thing here. I will iterate through the list, right? And in this one we don't need to check whether that element is present or not. Hash set simply, what hash set do is, it is saving only unique elements, it is only allowing unique elements, it is not allowing duplicates. So I am iterating through the list, and I will just say hs dot, in this one we have a method add, and let's say I'm getting the current value, or let's say not current, I am saying number equal to error of I, right? So in this one I will simply pass number, that's it. And let's say I'm just trying to print it out. Mm, so what I will do, system dot out dot print patches, and hs dot size. So I'm just running it down. Let's see what happens. Okay, you can see we are getting the same answer here. You can see, let's say, so that it can be in a separate line. So here what I will do for distinguishing between the hash map and hash set. Here I will print solution with hash set. So hash set was easier on here, right? Because it is just allowing only unique elements, not the duplicate ones. So we can find out what is the number of the count here. So if I am running it down, you can see with the help of hash set we can say that there are four elements which are unique, and with the hash map also we can solve it, but it is a little lengthy. So I was just trying to explain that we can approach the problem in different way, but we should be we should be aware of the fact that the same problem can be solved in different ways. So for that purpose only, for explaining hash map and hash set, uh, I just tried to solve this problem with the help of hash map and hash set as well. So this is something that you can explain in your interview as well. Okay, thank you.